In 2023, you talk to AI. In 2026, AI talks to your software. There's a fundamental shift happening right now, and it's not just another chatbot update. We're moving from AI that responds to AI that acts. From systems that wait for your prompt to systems that wake up, plan, execute, and report back, all on their own. These are called AI agents, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how they work, why every tech company from Google to Microsoft to 1,000 startups is betting everything on them, and what it means for your job in 2026. So what's the difference between a chatbot and an agent? A chatbot is a reactive system. You type a question, it generates an answer. That's it. The conversation starts and ends with you. An agent is proactive. It doesn't just answer questions, it sets goals, makes plans, uses tools, and takes actions in the real world. Here's the simplest way to think about it. A chatbot is a brain with no hands. An agent is a brain with hands, eyes, and a to-do list. And here's the stat that matters. In 2025, the global AI agent market was worth about $5 billion. By 2030, it's projected to hit $47 billion. That's nearly 10x growth in 5 years. Every AI agent, no matter how complex, is built from 4 core components. Let's break them down. Component number 1, the model. This is the brain. Usually a large language model like GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini. It's what understands language, reasons about problems, and generates responses. Component number 2, tools. These are the agent's hands. APIs, web search, calculators, code execution, database queries, file systems. Without tools, an agent is just a chatbot with extra steps. Component number 3, memory. This is the agent's short-term and long-term storage. Short-term memory holds the current conversation context. Long-term memory stores facts, preferences, and past experiences across sessions. Component number 4, planning and execution. This is the agent's ability to break down a complex goal into steps, execute them in order, and adapt when something goes wrong. These 4 components working together are what separate a genuinely useful AI agent from a fancy autocomplete. So how does an agent actually run? It follows a loop. Every agent, from the simplest to the most complex, runs the same fundamental cycle. Step 1, perceive. The agent receives input, a user request, a scheduled trigger, a system event. This is the wake-up signal. Step 2, reason. The model thinks about what it needs to do. It breaks the goal into subtasks, considers available tools, and creates a plan. Step 3, act. The agent calls a tool, runs code, searches the web, queries a database, sends an email. This is where it actually does something. Step 4, observe. The agent checks the result. Did the tool succeed? Is the goal met? If yes, it reports back. If no, it loops back to step 2 and tries a different approach. This perceive, reason, act, observe cycle is the heartbeat of every AI agent. And it runs autonomously. The agent decides when to loop, when to try a different tool, and when to declare the task complete. So where are AI agents actually working right now? Let me show you 3 real examples. Example 1, customer service. A customer emails support saying their order hasn't arrived. An agent reads the email, checks the order database, finds a tracking number, queries the shipping carrier API, discovers a delay, and drafts a personalized response with a discount code, all without a human touching it. Companies using agents for customer service report 70% reduction in response time and 40% lower support costs. Example 2, software development. GitHub's Copilot has evolved from suggesting code to actually writing entire pull requests. An agent reads a bug report, searches the codebase, writes a fix, runs the tests, and opens a PR. A human reviews and approves. Example 3, research and analysis. An analyst asks an agent, what are the top 3 competitive threats in our market? The agent searches the web, reads earnings reports, analyzes social media sentiment, and produces a 10-page report with citations. These aren't demos. These are production systems running at companies like Klarna, GitHub, and McKinsey. But AI agents aren't perfect. There are real risks we need to talk about. Risk 1, hallucination at scale. A chatbot hallucinates one wrong answer. An agent hallucinates and then acts on that wrong answer, booking a flight, deleting a database row, sending an email. The stakes are much higher. Risk 2, tool misuse. An agent with access to too many tools can do damage. If an agent can read your email and send emails and delete files, a single bad decision cascades. Risk 3, alignment. How do you make sure an agent's goals perfectly match what you actually want? This is the alignment problem, and it gets harder when agents act autonomously. The industry is responding with guardrails, systems that monitor agents, approve actions before they execute, and shut down agents that behave unexpectedly. AI agents are not science fiction. They're here, they're working, and they're only going to get more capable. The companies and individuals who understand how agents work, and how to work with them, will have a massive advantage in the next 5 years. If you found this valuable, subscribe. I make videos like this every week breaking down the technology that's actually shaping our world. And drop a comment, what task would you want an AI agent to handle for you? Thanks for watching.